In prime time news tonight, more tragedy. 5 taken into custody as the police investigate murder of 11-year-old. He's no rogue. Defense attorney dismisses claims police involved in a deadly shooting on Sunday had gone bad. In breach, Integrity Commission reports parliamentarians to the DPP.
And welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Milton Walker has our preview.
Yes, Andrea, one leading organization is dead set against government's plans to use funds in dormant accounts to lend to the MSME sector.
And from Milton we go to Jermaine Brown with a look at what's going to happen in sports.
Well, thank you, Archie. Well, all the racket is now over and there's a new president for Tennis Jamaica, and he has his own plans. We'll tell you about those when we return.
Technically the racket is continuing,
it's
but a
not
different
over.
kind. But anyway, Andrea.
Well, we also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, we have the feedback question.
Here's what we're asking. We're asking, what's your reaction to news that gas prices are manipulated by board members of Petrojam?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.